Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel E for Earning, and in this video we are going to explore another website which is very useful and commonly used in earning field, and for earning purpose you can use that website. Hopefully you have followed my previous video that was regarding the Fiverr.com, and from Fiverr you can earn you can generate a healthy revenue if you are willing to earn a healthy living. So Upwork is a website we are exploring today, and before starting a video I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and do share my videos so I can work on earning purpose for you guys, and I can bring all the content related earning for you guys. So let's get started. So Upwork is an online marketplace. As compared to Fiverr, Upwork is considered much better because the reasons are that Upwork has a good customer support as compared to Fiverr, and their policies are not aggressive, because of policies of the Fiverr.com are very aggressive. They just used to ban a lot of accounts in the past, and in the current era they are implementing a lot of stuff on freelancers. They are changing the rules and regulation of their site, and which are affecting a lot of accounts. So for that purpose, the Upwork is considered one of the best freelancing sites. So in Upwork we have to whenever you visit Upwork, so in a home page, the first thing you will see that trusted by, and it is trusted by Microsoft, Airbnb, GoDaddy. These are the top rated sites and for the clients, and the next section is exploring that you can post a job, you can browse and the projects and everything. And this section is showing that whenever you click on any of these skills, then you will be redirected to their freelancers. So this is the section, and first we have to explore the home page to the bottom, and these are the freelancers, and they are used to be work on Upwork. So Upwork is not a nationwide platform, it is an international platform, and they are very trusted, and because due to their customer support, they are still a very lazy one in this era. So what if I want to search the freelancers regarding PHP? So PHP, whenever I click a PHP developer, so it will list all the freelancers that are currently working on PHP, and you can explore any of them by clicking their profile, such as Robert H. I want to explore its profile. I'll click, and you can see that job success is this one, and he takes the $50 per hour for PHP, and these are certifications, this is a portfolio. So this is the working style where he is currently working in this style. He is working currently, and the clients, this is the clients that are leaving the reviews regarding his profile. And now let's move toward the main point, that how the Upwork works. Actually, Upwork provides you with the Connects. These are also referred as Connects. The Fiverr, the Upwork gave you the Connects, and whenever your profile has been created and it is approved. The main reason that there are not so much Upwork profiles as compared to Fiverr is that the Upwork doesn't allow every single person to register on its platform. Upwork has a strong criteria and strong cross-checking during registration. You must have a good standing profile and you must have good skills to register on Upwork, because all the decisions they make, it depends on their website reputation, and that's why they prefer to approve a good quality people with a good standing profiles. So on every new sign up they provide 50 connects. And you can send whenever a seller whenever a buyer post up project, then all the freelancer related to that skill, they bid on it, and the successful bid takes the project, and the project is being awarded to that freelancer. And then after the passage of time, the connects that were given to the freelancer, they decreases whenever you bid on a project. So you have to work very wisely on Upwork. You have to choose the things very wisely. So that's all. And Upwork just same as Fiverr takes the commission in every project, same as Upwork takes the commission in every project. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys will like my video, and for any question you can comment down, and do share my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel E for Earning, so I can bring you the earning stuff. Thank you.